Hello, very warm welcome. Today we are looking at another lead code question, which is copy list with random pointer. This is a linked list question, and it is being asked in week 2 of 2021. Now, what this question says is we are given a linked list of length n in such that each node contains an additional random pointer, which could point to any node in the list or null. We need to construct a deep copy, and deep copy consists of exactly n brand new nodes, where each new node has its set of value, which is value corresponding to the original node. Both the next and the random pointer of the new node should point to the new nodes in the copied list. So what this question says, right, is we are given a linked list which contains, instead of, if you see, right, my linked list always contains nodes like I have this, I have this, I have this, like these, this dot next is this dot next is this, right? But in this case, in this case, we have we have say in this case, say we have, this is the nodes, right? These are nodes, right? But in this case we have uh, another pointer which says, okay, this is connected to this one, this is connected to this one, this is connected to this one, right? There's a randomness in the way the second pointer is. It does not necessarily kind of point to the next linked list node actually. And what we need to do is we need to create an exact copy of this, right? And when I'm saying exact copy, that means each node will have a different address, but will have the same value, same next pointer, and same random pointer, right? Uh, let's look at the example again, right? So what I just discussed, right? I have some set of nodes. So this is a node, this is a node, this is a node, right? And if you see, this is connected to this one, this is connected to this one, this is connected to this one. However, if you see, right, this is coming back and connecting to the previous one, right? Similarly, its random is connected to null, right? So, and this and two of the nodes are connected to the first node itself. So there is a way in which these nodes are connected to each other in the random manner, but dot next behaves as it is, right? And what we need to return is we need to return the exact copy of it, because you see, whatever is my input is my output, but what is changing here is the address of the node which is present here, right? So if you look at it in a way, right, you on first go, what will think, okay, I create a temp node, and I will say, okay, whatever my say temp dot next is, I make it head dot next, right? I can do that, but what is happening here, right? uh, say say this was my original node, right? The moment you write this kind of a syntax, or you can say temp dot random is equal to head dot random, what will happen, right? Just your new node which you created, which is temp, right? This will point to this one only. This is not we want. We want this to point to a new address location, not this one, but sharing the same value, same information. So this is not going to work for us. So in a way, we need to create the fresh nodes. Now, how we are going to do that is we are going to leverage hash. I'm saying hash maps in kind of C sharp world, we can say it's a dictionary, right? So let's get going. So what we are going to do here, right? If I talk about the algorithm, right? What we'll say is, I'll create a hash map which will contain a, a node as key and value, next pointer, next, and random as the you can say the value pair, right? Now once I have all the nodes with me, right, what I'm going to say is, so what I just did this, when I have this hash map, right? So what I'm saying is, okay, I have my hash map in a list, right? So I have 1 2 3 stored now, right? In a way, when I'm storing these nodes, right, I'm also storing dot next and dot random as well, right? This is what I'm also storing, right? So what I'm going to say I'm iterating through this hash map. So I will say whatever my this node dot next is, right? Whatever my this node dot next is will be equal to my dictionary of that node dot next, right? The moment we do that, right, it is, if you see, it is creating a new node, but it's also maintaining that, you can say, the kind of mapping with respect to next and random pointer. I'll write it on so in a way what I'm trying to say is my dictionary temp, right, whichever I'm having, right, its next node will be equal to dt of tmp dot next. I hope you're understanding this. So what we're trying to say is, if I'm looking at a given node which I'm creating right now, right, it's a new node for me, its next is going to point to my tmp dot next. When I'm doing tmp dot next, it will be again a sub, you can say another node in the same dictionary. I'm pointing it to that one. This is acting as a new address value mapping for me right now. Okay, so I'll 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 write the code. Hopefully, means if you have any kind of confusions, that will be sorted with that. So again, as always, start with the base conditions. If I have it written, then return null. Otherwise, what I'm going to say is I'm going to create a dictionary which will contain no of node type, right? It is equal to new dictionary node comma node, right? And what I'm going to say is I'm going to create a temp node, right? What I'm going to say is while my temp node, right, is not equal to null, I will say add to the dictionary my temp node, right, as we discussed, and create a new node. This is where you can say the crux is, because I am creating a new node. That means I'm creating a new object reference. That means I'm creating a new address in the heap in the backend. I will say this will contain my tmp.val, but I don't know what is my next pointer, what is my random pointer, right? Because right now, if I look at the new world which I'm going to create, these are yet not existing until unless I have my dictionary which contains all the nodes which are present in the base linked list. Okay. Once I'm having this, right, I'll say okay, temp is equal to temp dot next. That means I'm going to iterate through each and every node. I'm going to add it to the dictionary. Once I'm done with this, I'll reset my temp node to the head pointer, and I'll say okay, while my temp, again I'll again iterate through this uh, linked list, and I'll say this time if my tmp dot next is not equal to null, that means it's a tail. I'll say my dt of tmp dot next, right, is equal to, right, is equal to my dt of tmp dot next, right? If you see, right, this is a key, right? This is a key. uh, this will point to a, you can say this will point to a value, and I'm saying that value dot next, right, is equal to, which I'm saying this node dot next, right, is equal to my existing node, whatever is present there, whatever this node original next is, right? Similarly, if my tmp dot random is not equal to null, I'll do the same stuff, because now I have everything in my dictionary. So I'll say dd tmp dot random is equal to dd tmp dot random. So Once this is done, I'll do okay, tmp is equal to tmp dot next, and I'm going to return dt of you can say head, whichever I has the head. So sorry, this was returned. So if you see here, right, in this case, say I'm running towards the nodes, right? So I had say if I look at example, right, I had 7, 13, 11, 10, 1. So I had 7, 13, 11, 10, 1, right? So I'm saying my dt temp, right? dt of temp. So if I've already inserted that in the dictionary, I'm saying dt temp right now is pointing to a node to it, right? It's pointing to a node, which is again a value. I'm saying that dot next is equal to dt temp dot next, right? And similarly, dt when I'm saying temp dot end, that means it's pointing to 7 dot next, which is 13, right? So this is how you're trying to maintaining that link between the two, but you're also, because of this particular line command, you are also ensuring that okay, these are pointing to the new address locations. Let's run this code and see what is happening for us. Okay, got the exact match. Let's submit it. It got accepted. Okay, cool. So I hope you would have understood what we're trying to do here, because see, we cannot directly just do my current node dot next is equal to my new node dot next, or current node dot random equal to new node dot random, because that will not that will again point back to the same address location, same nodes which are there, right? And that is something which is not required here. We need to create an exact copy only in terms of values, only in terms of references, but it will point to a different memory location. That's what the question says. Once we get that kind of a crux, I think all we need to do is create a dictionary and then use that dictionary to kind of map the values. Okay. With this, I'll take your leave. If in case you have any questions, any doubts, please do write in the comment section. In case you like this explanation, please go ahead and click on subscribe button, and do like and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.